it's time to get triggy with it. Right triangle, triggy with it. We're going to have an intro to right triangle trigonometry. All right, there are three main trig functions we're going to be using here, which are sine of a particular angle, cosine of an angle, and tangent of an angle. Not sin, cos, tan, but sine, cosine, and tangent. They are abbreviated with those three letters. Excellent. All right, now the sine, cosine, and tangent of these angles are all equal to the ratio of two sides of the right triangle. So sine is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. And you might be wondering, well, where are these sides located? Hopefully you remember the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Excellent. Beep, 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 beep. All right. Now the other angles all depend on, or the other sides depend on where that angle is located. So if theta were over here in the bottom left side, my opposite side would be over here, and my adjacent side would be next to that angle. Opposite is across the triangle from it, and the adjacent is next to that angle. It touches that angle. Now down here, once again, my hypotenuse will stay as the hypotenuse, no matter where the angle is. But if I have theta up here at the top right now, my opposite side moves to down here, and my adjacent side moves right there. Excellent. There we are. Once again, the opposite side is across from theta. Whew, that's awesome stuff. Now we can use these trig functions to find missing angles. We can use them to find missing sides. We can create ratios based off of the side lengths of the right triangles themselves. All right. Now, one thing you're like, this is a lot of information here. You may have seen this before, but we have a wonderful acronym to help us remember this. It is SOHCAHTOA. Oh, love me some SOHCAHTOA. S for sine, which is, and then the opposite over the hypotenuse. C is for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and T is for tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. Look at that. That's a beautiful picture right there. I mean, you might want to put that on your Snapchat story. You know what I'm saying? All right. We'll do some examples in another video. Otherwise, I hope you guys loved it. It was fantastic for me too.